Petronas flares around 1,200 tons of associated gas annually. That amount of associated gas can be filled into 100 million cans of household gas cylinders. To solve flaring, we could just burn them to fuel the oil rigs as a source of energy. However, this produces carbon dioxide that will contribute to the greenhouse effects. And the amount of carbon dioxide produced by all the oil rigs owned by Petronas will generate up to 480 kilotons of carbon dioxide yearly. Hence, we suggest ammonia production. Economic-wise, we suggested 3 possible scenarios: the worst, the moderate, and the best. The worst scenario would give a return in 10 years, the rate of investment of 12%, and the net present value after 20 years of 63 million ringgit Malaysia. The moderate scenario-wise, it will give a rate of return in 7.2 years, rate of investment of 18%, and a net present value of 185 million ringgit Malaysia after 20 years. Last but not least, the best scenario will give a return in 5 years, the net present value after 20 years to be 327 million ringgit Malaysia, and the rate of investment to be 22%.
Associated gas is dehydrated prior to be placed into transmission pipelines. Glycol dehydration is the most commonly method in industry. By replacing glycol dehydrators with desiccant dehydrators, it reduces methane, volatile organic compounds, and hazardous air pollutant emissions by 99%.
Based on current conventional method, hydrogen production by steam methane reformer produces an average of 9 tons carbon dioxide per ton of hydrogen manufactured, hence causing a devastating impact on the environment. Now, it is time for change. In HiChem Consultancy, we are changing the game plan towards a green production with carbon dioxide-free catalytic cracking. Here, every 3 tons of carbon dioxide is replaced with a high-value solid carbon for every ton hydrogen produced. Therefore, carbon dioxide emission is significantly decreased, close to 0%. In existing plant at Group3, Petronas is producing 450 kilotons ammonia per annum using hydrogen as the feedstock. With this project, the floating production, storage, and offloading facilities is cutted to uphold 160 kilotons ammonia per annum, of which it's capacitated an equal amount of production in a single onshore plant, generating about 36% of Petronas' annual production line.
Sustainability consists of 3 major pillars, namely economy, society, and environment. Economy. The economy is expected to increase to 300 million per annum of sales. Society. A new project decreases the number of unemployment rate, has 500 jobs are offered to the locals and improves the living quality. Environment. Associated gas is natural gas used to produce ammonia through distillation, hydrocarbon cracking, and Haber process. No harmful gases were released during the production. Hence, the proposed method is considered eco-friendly.
We continue to help to meet growing ammonia demand with waste gas, and is a promising approach to attain sustainability.